Hello friends, it's Michelle here with Glory Gardens and Garden Jargon. I just wanted to say thank you to all the people that had interest in cherry picking this year. I really appreciate the ones that did come out and that actually did a little trade. I got some wonderful garlic, I got some wonderful raspberries. Somebody left me a cash donation, which was really sweet. And I just want to say thank you so much for coming out and picking on the cherries. After the cherries, then we had some massive heat. So then all the cherries turned into fermented cherry bombs, which were not so desirable. So we'll do cherries again next year. So I hope you stay online and follow me at Garden Jargon and Glory Gardens on Facebook. I'll send you guys those links. I don't know if I had mentioned that we do grow a huge garden here on the same property in the back, that we are going to sell food here in the farm stands so I can pay for this property. And then also 70% of the food that we grow here goes to the local food pantries. So I just wanted to let you guys know that this Saturday, July 11th at 11 a.m., we're going to have a volunteer day. So I have a large group of people coming from my church. I go to the well in Geneva. So I have a large group coming out from the well that are going to help us out here in the garden. And any of you that came out and wanted to pick on some cherries, everybody said, well, how do we pay you for the cherries? And this is one of those opportunities that you can help pay back and give to your community. So your help in the garden this Saturday, if you are free at any time between 11 and pretty much when the sun goes down, we would love to have you here in the garden helping us, because we got a lot of weeding to do. We have plants in this greenhouse that have to get planted. We haven't planted them yet. I have irrigation we need to install. I have a fresh pile of wood chips that we need to spread in the garden. I have wheelbarrow work. I have trellises that I have to hang. I have tomatoes I have to prune. So if ever of you wanted to ever help in a garden and help your community and enjoy outside on a hot sunny day and enjoy learning about gardening, this Saturday would be your first opportunity to hang out with us and learn that stuff. So I hope you guys can consider it. I have a phone number you guys are welcome to reach me at, or you can message me right here in Facebook. That would be 630-318-0214. 630-318-0214. My name is Michelle. And as many hands as we can get in the soil here to feed our community would make my heart so happy, and it would make you go to sleep that night with a smile on your face. So please call me with any questions, and I hope to see you on Saturday.